today we'll be playing Flappy Birds. Like the OG one. Like I actually, well, not really the original one, but I actually had it. I actually got it before it was deleted from the App Store. Anyways, I'll play. Pretty fun. And the recent update kind of changed color. No! Oh, they can change colors now. That's nice. Oh, come on. As you can see, I'm really bad at the game. Yes? No! Can do it. I'm actually gonna make like a shorts comment. I'm like gonna make a shorts channel. Except I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. I also know how to turn on comments now. Guess I'll just do that for all of my videos. Just. Oh, that's the best. Hey, silver. Does anybody else have Flappy Birds on their phone? Or their tablet? Or their computer? You know? On your computer. The reason why I asked on your computer is because in your computer you can kind of like download an APK file, but don't do that. That could have viruses. It's so fun. Why do I know about APK files? I don't know. Oh right, computer class. You know, grade 4 computer class. Teacher telling us about APK files, how to make them. I made one. Then I turned it into a virus. It's really fun though. Then after that I had to delete all of them. Bronze J. How do I get the gold? 30? Okay. Now I'm dead. Should I make a shorts channel? Should I make a shorts? Oh, come on. Can I make a shorts channel? Should I play Fortnite? Like the Fortnite in mobile? Before it was deleted from the App Store. Wanna show you proof, huh? Boom, take it or leave it. Okay, man, I'm getting really bored. How come before it was so addicting, now not as much? Like when I downloaded it, I never actually played it. I just let it sit there. And then the highest I can get to is like 1 until I die. The highest score that I ever got was like 9 years old. I mean like the score of 9. The most recent update about this game, like by most recent update I mean like 2014, the Flappy Birds change colors now. Which is weird. I don't like it. I like the original yellow, but yeah. Ah. What does 10 give you? Oh, so every 10 gives you a medal. Since I got 20, I got a silver medal. So if I reach 30, I get something. Gold or something. Or even worse, a Flappy Birds trophy. Wait, those... Oh, come on. Alright, stay silent. Well, Just follow the giant crack on my screen. You know what one of my cracks are? Those are where one of my cracks are. Although I would never notice because it's not big. Oh wait, where's the other one? Right, this one there too. But I also don't notice that. Where's the other one? Why can't I find the other one? Oh right, actually compressed it, so the other one doesn't have anything really. I'm gonna try and find the other one. Oh yep. This is the center part. Then it goes there. It goes there. Then it goes there. And then this part is that's the part where the crack is. Me. The game over doesn't exist. It's just a game. Sure, let's play. Okay, I'm starting to get out. I think I should end the video right now, right here, because I'm getting pretty bored. And plus, it's literally 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh, 10 o'clock, never mind. I guess I did take that extra nap after breakfast.